need you to look back up here once you get it loaded. So while you're waiting for it to load, let's look. Here's what we're going to do. We've got 4 latent variables, which are a bit weird of labels to them, and 1 actual measured variable. So we have encourage. We did this one before, I think, kind of. We've got commit. We've got efficacy. And we've got social. And then we've got GPA. This is a real study, big study. While you're waiting for it to load, just look up for a second. I can read you what these mean. You don't have your books with you, right? The book is too big to carry around. So encourage is made up of encouragement with family, friends to attend a particular college. This is named encourage, the model. 3 indicators of encourage are key to the people who offer the encouragement: parents, role models, and relatives. All right, so this is a latent variable made up of those 3 that has to do. So we're trying to decide how we can have a model that predicts GPA in a college. So one factor is what they're calling encourage, which is made up of those 3 things. I don't like the names of these, but it's okay. The one called commit is made up of commitment to the college, named commit. 3 indicators of commitment are key. They're the reputation of the college, special programs available, and national ranking. So this is a dumb label. It should be like college resources or something, right? College resources. How much does that contribute to grade point? Efficacy is the student's self-efficacy around writing, intellect, and ability to succeed in college. So this is how much do they believe based on how well they think they write, how well they think how smart they are, how much overall they think they will do in college. And social is holding student elected office, joining a fraternity, or joining school clubs. So at the school, if they had a very active social life, did that predict academic achievement? So now we want to come up with a model for this to test. So let's do that together.
Just walking in the wrong way.
What do you think? What paths should we have here? We want it to be, I mean, we could just put them all to GPA, but they don't want to do that. Some things lead to something else that leads to GPA, right? So, what does?
Is that encouragement?
Encouragement would be what I said was your role model from family and friends. Named are people who offered encouragement, parents who offer encouragement, role models, or relatives of the student.
What's the top right one?
College resources, I think, is what that one really should be called. So certainly, I would think. What do you think would affect GPA? Efficacy to social.
Or encouragement to efficacy.
Encouragement to efficacy. Could be. They could be correlated too, though, right? We couldn't do it this way or this way. Yeah, I would think efficacy would go straight to GPA. It seems like it should. How about social life? You think that affects your grade point? If you have a successful social life? Could be a negative predictor.
Yeah. The moderator.
Resources seems like they would affect it, right? But resources might affect your efficacy too.
Yeah.
And encouragement
But encouragement may.
should go there, right? Now we'll try whatever model you want to try. The book tried one that I don't think makes much sense. So but you create the models yourself now once you get this, and let's try a couple different ones, and then we'll try some modification indices, and it'll be a good example of just how to do SEM, even though I think this is sort of a dumb example, because I don't
So we're
really.
just doing, right now, we're just doing this for enhanced.
Yeah, so we're gonna load that data, load this into Amos, create a model of something like this one, and then we'll start helping you figure out how to get all this stuff in there. Once the data comes up, you have to save it to your desktop or something, save that somewhere, and then go to it, and then it makes sense. File. Just go back to, if you want to go back to the previous screen, and just click right click and save as. Student resources. Oh, you got it, I'm sorry, yeah, save as. Put it someplace on that computer.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's been trying to run for about 5 minutes.
Oh, okay. All right, so now he's waiting. So go to the AMS now. Analyze. Glasses off, but computers now. Well, yell at 'em.
I got a little sign my way, so we'll see.
And get Amos to load.
Here it goes. Not responding. Oh, no, it's my other phone.
So you just have to do file, but, do it, file, do it. Then you go to load that.
That's under file or this.
Everybody has got it, and it should come up. You can put your model in before we go do it. First,
Show up. Is it this one right here? That should-
yeah, you know what I'm making that, so just, now you start making the boxes.
Oh, okay.
Calculate first.
This one?
Like here,
Here.
How many?
4, and then the box you have to put is,
Oh.
click that one, then click 1, 2, 3 times. Right? Right, oh, too many.
13.
If you undo, and then undo.
Restart it.
And move it this way.
Yeah, so if you want to move them all together, you first click this guy. Do that one. It was good on the page. There you go. We need 4 of those. Oh wait, no, on that one. Go ahead. Oh, yeah, this is do last time when we got the little tiny symbols? Yeah, remember when we got the little tiny symbols? That they especially resolved, or they didn't work right? Do it again.
How do you fix that?
I think we had to make it bigger or something.
Oh, parameter? That's just when you start to make it?
No, there's a rotate.
Next one, right?
Maybe if you want to right click it.
And then we can put GPA in the middle.
Yeah, you put it where you want. It's a lot.
There we go.
How do you know which one?
The book.
Plug in the name of the-
There's one.
Oh, you just said.
I think maybe you're ready, probably not.
How did you get it done? They
Check the errors for.
You think arrows are going two, you gotta have this
So,
one.
now we have commit, so reputation.
Try and calculate estimates. Oh, wait, first do, view first, and then do, analysis.
Efficacy, it's writing, intellect.
Okay, does it matter if you do your arrows first or labels like I did arrows first.
We'll leave that one. Close that one.
Okay, then you can add arrows out. I do know the arrows.
Now do,
And then all right, and all your endogenous variables need arrows, or errors. So first you have to decide what your path is going to be.
oh, wait.
So make your own. That's different.
So basically, we want to see what's predicting, GPA.
Yeah. So what do you, but make the arrows come from the opals, not those.
No, you don't have to.
Can you rotate?
Just
Can
X
you
it out.
rotate? You want to see where there's
Yeah,
getting
mine is,
down.
yeah, on the other side.
That's this one?
No, any user required. No, arrow two days ago, so it is the onset, no, in the way. Okay, cool.
So now we
And then it'd be really nice if you can move these. All together. What does it say?
Save it. Oh, yeah, I'll watch you save it.
Move the arrows
and
to
then try.
you unselect. You have to do what you just did. Alright, cool.
Next store is really no better, so M7 is your choice if you want to do this without all this waiting.
Yeah, why did it select?
Oh, undo. Just want to edit undo.
Okay, now,
Edit, undo, edit, undo.
You're off. I lost my.
Edit, undo.
Okay, so now move it again. And now,
When on the screen, you get off. There's the way to select.
deselect. Yay, the fifth. Jeez Louise. This is just
No, this is good. That is good.
because if you put the, I remember the arrows being weird.
Okay.
Okay, so now,
Figure out the path.
so you guys decide, and don't forget, whenever you have an endogenous variable, so arrows going in, you need an error. But how do we load the error? You add the error, you just add the circle.
Oh, we have to, those are for these.
Yes, like GPAs for sure, I need arrows, or have arrows on the end. But if you go encourage to commit, you're gonna need an arrow for commit, right?
Okay.
I mean, but it depends on what your path is.
So what is this? Encouragement affects the level of encouragement that you get or the amount of encouragement?
You can read it in the book.
Okay.
Here.
Encouragement from family and friends to attend a particular college.
Can I tell you one more thing? When you are ready, go to plug-in list and do unique, Okay, so labels your errors. You can do that again once you added the rest.
Okay.
Okay?
I'm going to identify what these are. Encouragement from family and friends to attend a particular college. That's encourage. Commitment
What do we
to
do?
college.
Just everything. Oh, that's a big
Academic self-efficacy and belief in one can succeed in school. Social life.
He got started, but before the thing, so I would say that.
Well, I was thinking maybe when I was.
Well, I would say belief that you can succeed in school. I don't believe at all that you can succeed in school. Why bother studying?
Right. So let's.
Commit, because they commit directly to achieving.
Homework is really easy because it's just boxes.
And that's because we believe that direct relationship.
Bring it in, turn it on, and can't do it, just let's do it next time.
All right, so no, I had the same thing. If you
You ever
guys,
did fix it?
no, it's the little one kind of rating.
So,
My work better. Yeah, I have a report.
encouraging my family and friends to attend a particular college or creating experiences like that.
Well, they're encouraged from their families and
Friends
friends.
to go to college.
No, not to go to, yeah.
To attend a particular
Of course,
college.
oh, that's like, you should try it. And it is just
Well, we're talking about GPA, so.
But actually, the past.
Oh, well, that's.
Yeah.
Yes.
I would say that.
So we have that.
No, that's not.
Yes. Do you think that
Let me look. Never else.
social, what you do socially or directly affect your GPA?
Right.
How do I know?
Commitment to college and socially.
Oh, there.
Like I don't know the answer to that question.
It'll be better. I'll either have to build it or it's already been built.
Well, I think you built
So
it.
play with it.
Well,
The factors
in
are
the,
retained already.
they give you a diagram of what it looks like.
Got it.
They tell you how to do it. If you look at that, if you look at the questions, it gives you like a diagram, it gives you a synopsis, a picture, an Amos diagram, and then questions.
Okay,
So you just have to.
got it, okay. That's on that piece. Yeah, I was just, you remember the,
Thing that we did like 2 weeks ago, and actually rotate the factors, identify which. That might have been Amber's day.
Amos.
And what that means, let's
Bottom line
interpret it.
is, I forgot what you said about the vision for the homework.
Let's interpret that. So that means the commitment to the college name commit, which is the reputation of the college, the special programs, right? Commitment and social, which is pursue social life.
What was this considered?
Yeah.
What did it say? Okay, it's down on. Do I have to be on? Yeah.
Just go ahead, honey. Yeah.
Oh, honey, okay. Good. Oh, yeah. See that on E118?
Okay.
Already emailed you.
Okay.
I forgot that I signed up to be.
We're recording this, and we're trying to find a good example for
Other days that I
So we're going to take, like,
Okay.
but the main idea,
we
can't get it to work like
for that and
Do that.
Are these in the way, or?
No, because you can't correlate variables
That works.
with arrows going to them like that. You can't correlate variables.
It has to be over.
right.
What is that?
So you can't have this path and then a correlation.
Right.
Oh, okay.
You could, yes.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
Why is that?
Because it, you can only do it for exogenous,
Yes.
so you can do it if it's endogenous.
You know how to make that. You can use a little correlation here.
Yeah, and then if it turns out that it's
Change
not
the shape.
things, one of them can do it, go with the other shape.
Not the movement from the one next to it.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Yeah, we get rid of.
And we, okay, I like to try running that model. Got exogenous for anything with arrows, no. Anything with arrows going to them have to have another one of these. Arrows. This one. You can click it again if you want to move it.
Okay, you're all done.
Move it to the other spot, one on the side.
Have you done it?
Too late.
We're just not sure building.
It doesn't matter, you can leave it as it was. You got, you went over encourage too. Oh, no, that's a correlation, sorry. You're okay, that should run now.
I don't know.
You need, yeah, so plug in, hang on, observe.
Why would it say that the GPA variable is not an observed variable?
Right. How do we run it from this point on?
I don't know, good question, I think you save it first. Do they save first before running? Yes. Wait, don't do anything. Kate, did you save first before you ran it?
Like social,
So only exogenous variables.
yeah, you have to start
Correlational can have.
only exogenous have
Error.
yeah,
Maybe we just didn't
Wait,
make
you
it
said
right.
any endogenous?
exogenous, yes.
How come? How did you not know the correlation between?
Do object properties.
It was trying to, so we tried to it still depends on our rationale.
Okay, we're not.
Yes.
All right. Do you want to see?
I was just curious how you decided.
No, there's no. There's no there's no error coming into these two, so we can try to. So it's do you want to correlate it to? That's how it's text, right? Just leave it this way.
And what, social?
Yeah.
It says here that there's a correlation.
So
So that would be what was interpreted. So commitment to the college and social would be perceived social life.
yeah. So
Yeah,
how
that
much
makes
you commit and how much you're going to life.
So yeah.
So there you go. So we have here in terms of some endogenous. So this one is endogenous, well, it's a correlation. This is a correlation.
I would imagine analyze is how you run it, right?
There's something weird about that model.
Estimate? The analysis, okay. And you saved it, right?
I never done it to the GPA in the middle.
Oh, yeah. there, okay.
What does that mean? Just click.
I click this look back over the
Okay.
So,
And why
if
do
the
you-
output, because all the data from the SPSS now is loaded here.
And why do we pick the right one versus left? Because one's confirmatory factor analysis, and one is exploratory. Okay, so hold on, so, yeah, so depending on where the arrows are going, the items, which are the measure variables, are going to the weighted variable, that is exploratory factor. If it's, the other way around, then that's. What is this?
So we want this one, we want to standardize, right?
That's it,
Let me take away all
I
that.
just click on the standardize.
We just want standardized.
Unstandardized, I want standardized.
Yeah.
So
Give
after
them
you
some
turn
arrows
on
and
the
say,
standardized.
Just get rid of a bunch of those arrows. I'll make it really simple. Yeah, these look, I've never seen those. Try getting rid of one of those. You guys, don't forget to go to output and tell it what you want from view analysis.
Oh.
You're not gonna get standardized, you're good, but
We don't want standardized?
we do. Did you do that already?
Yeah, I got that standardized, but I can't get the
No, but you have to run it again now, so do that.
Analyze?
Properties, yeah.
Delete this arrow.
And then click the first three on the left. Sorry, output.
Shift the number to
And the first three on the left. See, it doesn't test, I click the one doing for you, down here, modification. Okay, now close that.
Well, I don't know, maybe we do what?
Yeah, no, now do the calculations again from analysis. You gotta do it again. Now that one.
So is this
There you
confirmatory
go.
factor analysis and the other one's exploratory?
Well, this is the structural equation model because we're actually going to an observed variable.
What do these two mean?
Oh, it's just the two different, the first thing is to set up the model, second one is to put the weights in.
Oh, okay.
What should we get in modification on PCs below? You know, when we put in those other correlations between the error terms?
Yeah, just look for the biggest ones.
Because we
And only correlate the ones that are on the same the other big ones that are real, they have to be coming.
And what's the
That work then?
No. It will, is it put numbers here?
I have a chi-square.
You got a passport?
I have
Yeah,
one, but
that's-
no weight.
Okay, so did you use standard analysis and stuff? No. Or you just said quick standard analysis and everything else? I think you did. Did you put the?
I do.
I'll put them.
Okay, wait, so what's wrong with my?
Is it the same as hers? No, no, you have an extra arrow there.
Oh, you got arrow.
So we have to take that.
Okay.